Stay tuned after the review for extended footage of the White Dragon Warrior, as well as how it looks beside the Knights and Magic Tzindo limbo. Thank you for watching other episodes of Talona's Reviews. My mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers by the end of August, only 33 more to go. Yay! Today I'm reviewing the White Dragon Warrior by High Godo. It is made from 731 Lego style bricks and has two modes, quadrupedal and bipedal. Assembled, the mech stands 10 inches or 25.4 centimeters tall and has a wingspan of 11 inches or 28 centimeters wide. Hi Karate, this kit was outstanding. It was a great build from start to finish. You should buy this brick kit. It went together very well with no glue needed, and I'm not the one to spare the glue. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. The kit has a lot of stickers, which I'm usually not a fan of, but it really does dress the build up and sets the kit apart from so many others. I completed the build without a single missing part, and I had fun the whole way through. On the front of the mobile suit, just below the chest, is a very interesting feature that uses bricks to look like hydraulics. Very fun. The bricks aren't Lego brand, but they perform very well, fitting together with no real issues. The kit does come with a brick tool to fix any mistakes you make along the way to completion. The White Dragon holds together very well while posing. You won't be disappointed in this purchase at all. Use the link in the description and buy it. What didn't I like about the White Dragon Warrior? Boy, it's hard to come up with a criticism. So I don't have much in the way of criticism, but I do have some wishes. I wish the arms were a little more posable. I wish the spear had a single side blade per end rather than double, so it would be a little lighter and would allow posing of the arm and hand a little easier. I will also mention what I've read in the Amazon reviews for this product. Some Amazon reviewers have complained of missing parts. I haven't had that experience with any of the 3 High Godo kits I've put together so far. I will say that the bag system was a little weird for this build. You started with bag 1 and then also bag 6 and 12. When you got to bag 2, you used the rest of bag 6 and then bag 7 and some more of bag 12, so the bag system is a little weird. But weird bags is better than no bags, trust me. I'm looking at you, Nifeliz. Would I do it again? If they come up with alternate versions of this design, I would love to do it again. I would really dig doing some more of these. Have you built the White Dragon Warrior? What did you think? Is there another High Godo brick kit that you would recommend? Please put it in the comments below. I would love to know what to build next from these guys. Please support me on Patreon. For $3 a month, you can watch my videos ad-free. That $3 could save you $50 on a kit you wish you'd never bought. Thanks again for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.